Hi everyone. In the previous videos, we learned about tenses, simple present tense, simple past tense. Today, we are going to learn the simple future tense. And if you have not watched those previous videos, do check them out. The playlist link is given in the description. Now let's understand simple future tense. So, what is simple future tense? Simple future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. That means the action has not happened yet, as in past tense. The action is not happening now, as in the present tense, but it will happen later. For example, I will play football tomorrow. I will play football tomorrow. They will watch a movie next week. Okay, so all these actions is going to happen in the future. All these actions will happen in the future. Okay, I will play football tomorrow. They will watch a movie next week. Now, coming to the structure of simple future tense. The structure is subject plus will plus the base form of the verb. For example, I will play. She will cook. Okay, the subject plus will plus the base form of the verb. So one thing you have to remember is in future tense we do not change the verb into any other form like in past form, or we do not add yes or yes. We just write the verb in its base form. Now, there is another helping verb called shall. Shall is usually used with I and we. Traditionally, shall is used with I and we in simple future tense. For example, this is a structure I, we plus shall plus verb in its base form. Like I shall come tomorrow. We shall meet next week, and so on. But nowadays, in modern English, people mostly use will for all subjects. So instead of I shall go, people usually say I will go. So both are correct, but will is more commonly used in everyday English now. Let's see more examples like I will study tonight. So these are various examples of the sentences in simple future tense. They will buy a new car. We will travel next month. He will come tomorrow. Very simple. Next, just as we have learnt in the past tense, here also there are some time words that help us identify the simple future tense. These are tomorrow, next week, later. So when we see these time words, we can often understand that the action is related to the future. For example, we will meet next week. We will meet next week. So when you see such time words like next week or tomorrow or later, then we identify that the sentence is in the simple future tense. Now let's see the negative sentence is simple future tense. The structure is subject plus will not or won't plus the base form of the verb. Like I will not play. She will not come. They will not watch the movie. Just simple subject plus will not plus the base form of the verb. So in place of will not, we can also use the short form and just write I won't play. Instead of will not, you can also write I won't play. Now let's see the questions in the simple future tense. The structure is will plus subject plus base form of the verb question mark. For example, will you come? Will she play? Will they attend the class? Again, here also we use only the base form of the verb. Now let's take a quick recap of what all we have learned about tenses. First, we had learned about the simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to denote now, habit, fact. For example, I play football. She goes to school daily. Her habit. She goes to school daily. The sun rises in the east. A fact. For all such sentences, we use a simple present tense. And simple past tense is used for what? For the actions that are completed. I played football yesterday. I visited my auntie last month. So for completed actions, we use the simple past. Now coming to the simple future tense. These are the actions that will happen later. I will play football, yes, tomorrow. I will meet my aunt next month. So these are the places where you use the simple future tense. So these are the important things you should remember in the simple future tense. I hope the simple future tense is clear now. And this is just the beginning of learning tenses. In the coming classes, we will learn more interesting types of tenses and sentence structures step by step. If you have any doubts in English grammar or maths, you can ask in the comment section. You can also tell me which topic you want me to teach next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class. Bye bye.